So welcome to this video tutorial on asset management in Udo. Asset management is the process of managing money and other value resources for the client or organization. It involves planning, investing, monitoring, and optimizing the performance and the value of the asset over their life cycle. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to automate asset management in Udo. So let's start. In the dashboard, go to the accounting module and under the configuration, go to the asset model. Now, let's first create a new model. Let's say a company car. And here, you can choose a depreciation method and we have different methods like straight line, declining, then straight line. You can also set duration in months or year. I'll choose year and we have different computation like no prorata, constant period, and based on days per period. So here we can also set a depreciation account. So let's create a depreciation. So if you have already created an account, just select the one that you have created. So you see the type of depreciation account is a non-current asset. So we need to set the code for this, and under the automation, you can see the automation type as no, create in draft, and create and validate. Now let me save this. We also need to set an expense account. So let me save the asset model. So let's go back to the depreciation. Under the automation, we need to configure this. So as you choose the automate asset into create in draft. So we can see multiple options. We can manage multiple item of assets. So if we enable this feature, you can manage multiple items. We need to set the asset model. So we have created the asset model. So that's a company car. So just save it manually. So now going to the accounting tab under management, you can see assets. So just click it there. So we need to manage the assets. So under the name, just input company car. And we can see under the asset, we can set the asset value that is the original value. And we can set the acquisition date. And you can choose the asset model that you have created. So that's a company car. As you set the asset model, some details will be appear automatically. You can also set the current value and you can also set not depreciable value. It is the amount that not be depreciated. So here you can see that the book value is 1 million because we set the original value as 1 million. And we set the duration and computation as a straight line and every details will be triggered here. As we set details in the asset model. Now, click Save. Now we have to create a product for that. So go to the vendor tab. Under the product, you can create a new one. So our product is company car. So set the type as a storable and you can set the sales price and the cost. Then save. Now let's create a bill. So again, go to the vendor and click bill. So choose a vendor and set the bill date and add the product here. So we need to change the account over here into depreciation account. So now click confirm. As you click on the confirm button, here you can see the asset is with one quantity. Now if you go to the asset tab, you can see the details and when you click compute depreciation, you can see that the depreciation board is add up in the tab. Under the tab, you can see the calculation of the asset. As you choose the automation as a create in draft, you can see that the asset is created in draft. Now, if you want to modify it, the depreciation, it is possible. And if you want to save this as a model, you can do it. Or if you want to cancel the model, you just click cancel asset. Now let's go back to the asset model. Choose the company car. Let me get into the depreciation and change the automation into asset as create and valid. And now we can activate the manage item. Now let's create another bill. So choose a vendor, set the bill date, and add a product, which is the company car, and the account. Change the account into depreciation account. And for the quantity, let's say 5. Now click confirm. We can see that the asset is set to 5. Now when we're going to the asset tab, all the created assets are currently running state because we have set the automation as the current and validate. So let's go to the modify depreciation. So if you want to modify the asset by setting action like dispose, sell, reevaluate, pause, and all. So that's how to manage your asset in Odoo. That's the end of this video. Bye bye.